Agriculture is not just about the growing of plants and the consumption of the produce. There goes a lot into the production of the various agricultural products that we use on a day-to-day basis. This episode of Source of Sustenance is all about acquainting you with the various branches of agriculture so that the vastness of the field can be better understood and appreciated. Agronomy. It is the science and technology of producing and using plants for food, fuel, fiber, and land reclamation. This branch of agriculture primarily focuses on improving the food production and cropping techniques. Agronomy is considered as the most important branch of agriculture. Plant breeding and genetics. It is an art and science of changing the traits of plants in order to produce desired characteristics. Plant breeding can be accomplished through many different techniques, ranging from simply selecting plants with desirable characteristics for propagation to more complex molecular techniques. Plant breeding is practiced worldwide by individuals such as gardeners and farmers, or by professional plant breeders employed by organizations such as government institutions, universities, crop-specific industry associations, or research centers. Horticulture. This branch of agriculture deals with the cultivation of plants that are directly used by humans, such as flowers, fruits, vegetables, ornamental plants, spices, condiments, etc. Soil science. It is the study of soil as a natural resource on the surface of the earth, including soil formation, classification and mapping, physical, chemical, biological, and fertility properties of soils, and these properties in relation to the use and management of soils. Agroforestry. It is a science dealing with the land use management system of growing shrubs, trees around or among crops or pasture land. It combines agricultural and forestry technologies to create more diverse, productive, profitable, and healthy systems of farming. Most commonly used plants in the agroforestry are river tamarind, pungem oil tree, Australian pine tree, eucalyptus, etc. Agrometeorology. It is the study of weather and the use of weather and climate information to enhance or expand the agricultural crops or increase crop production. It is a study of physical processes of the atmosphere that produce weather in relation to agricultural production, and also deals with agroclimatology, instrumentation, and weather forecasting. Agricultural entomology. It deals with the study of agricultural pests and insects and management of their infestation in field crops, fruit crops, and vegetable crops. Agricultural pests and insects have become rampant and are posing as a major issue for farmers and also for entomologists. Many chemical, biological, mechanical, and physical treatments are being established for their control. Plant pathology. It is the scientific study of diseases in plants caused by pathogens and environmental conditions. Organisms that cause infectious diseases include fungi, bacteria, viruses, viroids, phytoplasma, protozoa, nematodes, and parasitic plants. Agricultural extension. It is an application of scientific research and new knowledge to agricultural practices through farmers' education. The field of extension now encompasses a wider range of communication and learning activities organized for rural people by marketing, health, and business studies. Agricultural engineering. It is the engineering discipline that applies engineering science and technology to agricultural production and processing. It deals with farm machinery for field preparation, intercultivation, harvesting, and post-harvest processing, including soil and water conservation engineering and bioenergy. Seed technology. This discipline of agriculture deals with seed production, maintenance, quality, and preservation. It can be defined as the methods through which the genetic and the physical characteristics of seeds could be improved. Agricultural microbiology. This branch of microbiology deals with plant-associated microbes. It also deals with the microbiology of soil fertility, such as microbial degradation of organic matter and soil nutrient transformations. Agricultural biotechnology. It is an area of agricultural science involving the use of scientific tools and techniques including genetic engineering, molecular markers, molecular diagnosis, and tissue culture in modifying living organisms such as plants, animals, and microorganisms. Agricultural economics. It is an applied field of economics concerned with the application of economic theory in optimizing the production and distribution of food and fiber known as agronomics. Agricultural economics today includes a variety of applied areas having considerable overlap with conventional economics. Animal husbandry. It is the agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock in order to provide food for humans and manure for crops. It is the maintenance of various types of livestock for direct energy, milk, meat, and various other commodities. Fishery. It deals with the practice of breeding and rearing fishes, including marine and inland fishes, shrimp, prawns, etc., in order to provide food, feed, and manure. Sericulture. It is a branch of agriculture dealing with the silk farming, that is, rearing of silkworms for the production of silk, especially the species of Bombyx mori, which is commercially used in Indian regions like Assam, Meghalaya, Karnataka that are of prime importance in the field of sericulture. Food technology. It is the branch that deals with the techniques involved in production, processing, preservation, packaging, labeling, quality management and distribution of food products. The field also involves techniques and processes that focus on the transformation of raw materials into consumable food products. Home science. This branch of agriculture deals with the use of the agricultural produce in a manner in which it is beneficial to the population. It deals with the enhancement of nutritional security. Value addition and food preparation are also major components of this branch.